Hi everyone, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do the review of this Logitech C270 Webcam. If we talk about the build quality, it is completely made up of plastic, but overall quality is really looking amazing. At the front, we are getting Logitech branding. Here is the microphone holes, and here you will get also one LED indicator that will show you whether your webcam is on or off. If we look at the cable is completely made up of plastic and it's come with a single type A USB jack. Now let's go forward and connect this webcam into my laptop. And guys, here is a lever. Using that you can easily lock and unlock the webcam into your monitor or your laptop screen. How to fix it, I am going to show you right now. See, just put your webcam like this. Here it is very easy to adjust. All right, see, it has been adjusted successfully. Now according to your requirement, you can adjust the webcam up or down. It's all your wish. Okay, like this you can adjust and you are ready to go. Now I'm going to show you the video quality as well as audio quality of this webcam. It is a plug and play device, so no need to install any driver. Your PC will detect the webcam automatically. Right now the video that you are able to see and the audio that you are hearing right now, it is recording with the help of the Logitech C270 webcam, and by that you can easily understand how is its quality. Currently I am using three different lights. There is one Godox big light is there. Here is one ring light, and at the top I have one tube light. So what I'm going to do is, let me show you the live example because many people don't have so many lights. So if I close that big Godox light, right, you can understand how is the video quality. And with that, if I turn off the ring light, that is here only. Now only one tube light is available on my room, and you can understand how is its quality. All right, now I'm going to turn on the light again. Now many streamers, what they do, they used to remove the background, right? So let me show you how is the quality if you remove the background. Okay, I'm just going to remove the background. And as here you can see, I have removed the background from my screen. Now blue color you are not able to see here, and even chroma key is also working absolutely fine. But anyhow, if you do lots of movement, you can see blue little light you will see. But if there is no movement, simply you are talking to your audience, you are doing live streaming, then it is perfect for you. So I really like this Logitech webcam. According to price, its quality is really good. Alright guys, this is all about today. I believe you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you are planning to buy this webcam at the best price, kindly check the link in description section below. If you buy this webcam from my link, it is also going to help my channel, and definitely you will get this webcam at the best price. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.